In this video, I will show you how to create a date range from two dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in these columns. Now I want to create a date range text from these dates. For example, for the first row, I want to create a date range text like JAN 1 to JAN 31 from these dates. We can use the Excel text function to convert the date to text in our desired format. The text function converts a number to text in the given format. This function accepts two arguments, a number we want to convert and the output format. Excel stores dates as serial numbers. So we can use the text function to format the dates as well. Once we format the dates in the desired format, we can use the ampersand signs to join them. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Type text followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the first date as the first argument of the text function. Since we want the short month names like JAN, FEB, etc. followed by the day number, I am going to use the MMM space DD format. Type a comma and then type MMM space DD in the double quotes as the second argument of the text function. Type the closing bracket. This part of the formula will output the first date for the date range. I am going to append a hyphen character with the leading and trailing space to the first date using the ampersand character like this. Now append the second date with the ampersand character in the same format as the first date using the text function. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the date ranges generated from the dates. If you want full month names instead of the short 3-character month names, we can use the MMM space DD format instead of the MMM space DD format. Let's modify the formula to generate the full month names in the date range. As you can see, we now have the full month names in the date range. To display the day before the month name in the date range, we can use the DD space MMM format like this. Make sure to change the formats in both of the text functions. There are so many different date formats we can use to generate the date range. You may choose the format that suits your requirements. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.